Hello there, I'm Irene Chan, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 meeting AI assistants that can help you take notes automatically, clean your audio, and more. Let's kick things off with a tool called Tactiq to get an automated transcript of your Google Meet, Zoom, or Teams meeting. First, install Tactiq on Chrome. It's free. The link to download from Chrome Web Store is in the video description below. Connect Google Meet, Teams, or Zoom under Integrations. You only have to do this once. Join your call as usual. You'll see the automatic transcription on the window, and you'll get automatic highlights. After the call, you'll get a link to the full transcript. Next up is Clean Voice. Clean Voice is an AI tool that automatically removes filler sounds, stuttering, and other mouth sounds from your meeting recording. All you have to do is upload your file. The AI does the cleaning, then download the file with all of the dead air gone. Now, on to equal time. If extroverts are dominating your meetings, this tool levels the playing field. Once integrated with Google Meet or Zoom, a sidebar shows speaking time percentages, an inclusion score, a monologue counter, and a group speaking balance chart, ensuring everyone gets their share of airtime. Top 4 is Rewatch. It is where your meeting videos live for future reference. With Rewatch, you can create video wikis by topics or teams, post quick updates, or even start asynchronous video team meetings. It's like having a YouTube that's just for your company. And lastly, Duet AI. If you're a Google Enterprise user, this enterprise-only feature will take your calls to a whole new level. Look sharp with better image quality and get real-time translated captions for multi-language meetings. You can even generate AI backgrounds at any time during your meeting. There you have it, 5 fantastic AI tools to optimize your online meetings. Let us know your favorite in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on AI meeting tools.